Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to walk you through how to save a talk draft video in the gallery. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, because this is one of the easiest things that you can do in TikTok. And if you follow the same steps that I am about to show you, you can do this yourself as well. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So let's open up our TikTok app over here. And then let's just tap on this plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. So I am simply going to record a quick little video for this tutorial and then tap on the next button. So when you are on this screen, make sure that you have the Save to Device option turned on. And then I am going to save this as a draft. So tap on Drafts and this video will be saved as a draft. So let's go to my profile and then let's open up Drafts. And then let's tap on this video, and then let's tap Next. So when you are on this screen, you want to tap on Who can watch this video, and you want to change it from everyone to only me. By doing that, you'll be the only one that has access to view this video, and then tap Post. So let's go over to my profile again, and then tap on this lock icon. And that's where all of your private videos are. And then simply select your draft video, and then tap on these three dots at the bottom right of the screen. Then simply tap on Save Video, and this draft video will be saved to your gallery. So it's as easy as that. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments below. If not, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.